Hi, everybody. I'm Texas employment rights attorney Chris McKinney. We get a lot of calls from employees who are stuck in jobs with a boss who is, frankly, just terrible. And the boss is harassing them and bullying them. And essentially, the question they have is they want to know, is it legal for my boss to be an incredible jerk? That's what the question boils down to. And the answer to this question, like so many answers that lawyers have to legal questions, is it depends. So, what does it depend on? Well, first, let's start here. It's not illegal for your boss to be a jerk, generally speaking, okay? Now, while it's a terrible business practice and ultimately the company's going to pay a price if they have a boss that's being a jerk to its employees, employers are generally allowed under the law not to be nice to their employees if they don't want to, generally speaking. But there is a big exception to this general rule, and it has to do with the question of why is the boss being such a jerk? Often in employment rights cases, we're not arguing so much about what was done as we're arguing about why the employer did this thing. So if an employer is just a jerk and acts the same to all of its employees, treats everyone badly, as it were, then generally that kind of conduct is probably not going to be illegal. However, if the boss is singling people out because of their membership in some type of EEO protected class, such as only harassing someone because they're a woman or because of their race or because they're an older worker, then that type of harassment and bullying may very well be illegal. Obviously, the answer to this type of question is very fact intensive and it needs to be looked at on a case by case basis. So if you have a situation like this, you need to speak with a qualified employment rights attorney near you. If you have any other questions that you'd like us to answer, just drop them in the comments to this post or in reply to this post with the hashtag BetterAskChris. We'll see you next time. Keep the faith.